Good morning, everyone. Today is the 5th of August. We are here looking at Nasdaq, again at all-time highs overall on the weekly chart. Yesterday, Monday, price has retraced. And we look here at this structure on the weekly. You see previous week has traded down and taken liquidity here, below this candle and this candle. And basically we are working with this range, this new range formed by the price action of last week. Now, with that in mind, let's draw up our range. There it is. And let me lock that in. Right. So now, looking at this range, on the daily, we can see that we have had yesterday a retracement, as I said, and we were looking yesterday for price to retrace into equilibrium of this range and then reassess. That's where we are today. Price retraced into equilibrium of this range, inverted this volume imbalance. We are now trading above this bearish one daily fair value gap, and we are trading in premium of this range. Now, where can we look for targets for continuation before a retracement, possible retracement? Continuation of yesterday's trend. Let's look quickly. Let's do this. Looking at the line chart, I see something interesting here, right? So if I go here, I see price has traded actually once, twice to this exact level, traded through it, reversed to it, and then expanded, right? And this here traded to it, touched it, and went down. So this is a level I'm going to look at. It's a relevant level, and if I go back to the candle chart, you will see actually this is the candle bodies here, an inflection point basically. Now this is first drawn liquidity. Another drawn liquidity is this one. If I look here at this this structure, what do we see? What do I see here? I see that we have had this low and this low. And this is basically another inflection point. Look what happened here. First time touched it, went back up. Touched it again, went back up. So another inflection point. And again, look at where that is, candle bodies. With this context, I can now assess the fact that this is a liquidity area. Liquidity area where price will retrace and either fuel the next move up, or we will see something like this. Price comes to this and comes back down. Right, so that's one possibility. Price coming back from this liquidity area all the way down. What we see here additionally, we have this imbalance, right? So price also come into this area to rebalance that. That's one possibility, right? Another possibility is that price just comes back into this area, and that's something that it did before here. Right? And if we look at previous price action and we look at the inflection points, we see that this happened in the past here. So that's another possibility. More something like this, right? So that's the second possibility we look at. In any case, this is the outlook for today. For this London session, we are looking at price to trade back up into this area. So 23,410, 23,60, 50, somewhere around there. Is that giving us enough of a range to work with? Let's have a look. If we move to the 15-minute chart, I'd say that's plenty enough to trade. However, we're not swinging for the fancies. If we are trading this London session, we will likely look for a small scalp here, depending on where we enter. That's more or less 50 to 70 points we can work with. That's to be expected by London, right? That's a reasonable move. And we look here on the 15-minute chart, since we are here on the 15. This is the area, the target area I've drawn up. On the left hand side we see relative equal highs here, right? So that's it. I'd say trade safe as always, and take care. Bye.